Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will paint.
We will paint. Yippee!
Yes, I am happy. We will go to paint.
Paint today.
Yes.
And what we will paint?
I don't know.
We will paint a tree.
Yes. Let's see that.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
So what kind of tree you want to paint today?
I don't know. I think a tree.
A tree. Color brown. Brown trunk.
I think so.
Like this. See?
Yes.
This is activity for children at home. Yeah, that's good enough, Noah. We know you can use your brush. So our materials are, we have a bond paper.
Yes.
And we have brush.
Where is?
I think we need to use a smaller brush. Yeah. Can use that color there. Also good.
So like this. I can take a
Smaller brush. Yes.
Yes.
This.
I think
Not a lot of water because the paper will be damaged. Just a little bit of water.
what is damage?
Damage, that means kapot.
Is this the kapot?
No, this is paper. This paper, because this is soft paper. I'll also paint with you, okay? In this side, a tree, okay?
Yes, okay.
Like this, a straight. We paint a straight line. Yes, we can use a bigger brush.
Now I will take.
You take the branch.
And now I take red blue, that, and then hoe noem je in English takken?
Stem of trunks.
What?
Trunks.
And I will take stars. Je heeft een echte boom.
Ja. Nu. Right. You need first to remove all the first color before you apply the other one. Otherwise, it will not give you the color that you like. See, now it's good. That's enough water. Then the sides.
I like that music.
You like that music? I also like that music.
Maar waarom, hoe zeg je in English, waarom maakt dat geen geluid?
That makes a sound, right? You can hear it.
Yes.
Yeah. Can I add a little bit of water?
And now,
Are you finished?
yes.
So tell me about your tree. Is that the head of the tree and then the leaves are in the sides, or?
Yes, your sides.
Do you like your tree?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, what do you call your tree?
Huh?
What do you call your tree?
Very nice. And your tree is nice too.
Yeah. That's nice. Okay. This is the trunk.
Yes.
And this is the leaves.
Yes. And there hang the blocks.
Yeah. Are you finished with this?
No, I will then take them and the tree.
You want to make? I will get it for you. You want to make more tree?
Yes.
Like this? Like, how do you see a tree there outside? They are more, Noah, they are more like from leaves, right? Okay. I will get you another paper, okay?
Okay. Yeah. That is real bad.
Can you make a tree so, like how your classmates do it in your school?
No, I can. That is very. Then I need
Like
to.
this.
Okay.
That's how they... This is also brown, Noah. You can use that. That's more dark.
Okay. Go that way. This. Street line. And take more.
Can I also help?
Yes.
So, if we make a tree, here in the bottom is bigger, going up.
That's
Because
true.
this the root under the ground that support the tree.
Why have tree dead under the ground?
Yeah, that's the roots.
What
The
are
roots, wortels. The tree have these branches, taken.
so like this?
Yeah. And going up, they're usually there, spreading. Want this? Also there?
Yes. Also here. And you are the best mom room.
Yeah.
Yes. And then this.
Then another green. You need to wash first
Yes.
in the water. Oh, be careful.
Okay. Now, can you help me, please?
Yes.
I like that.
Today we are painting in the house because Noah is sick and he cannot go to school. So we are having this activity. And we are also watching what are the activities of the children.
Yes.
We have this up from the school.
Yes.
And yeah, they're painting, so we're also doing the same. Since he have still fever, so we cannot bring him in school. You can also use this green, Noah.
I think blue. And you can
It's a nice green, huh? It's darker.
It's dark. This is also dark. Is this dark? Is it dark night? Is it dark night?
Dark night.
Yes. Is this a real tree?
That one. Do you like this tree better than the other?
Yes. And I like you tree too. Your tree is very nice.
Thank you. You can make your tree better if you always paint.
Papa,
Ja hoor.
kijk.
Mooi. Dat is een mooie boom, hè, hoor.
En mama heeft, we hebben daar ook nog kijk. Can I take nog een ander tree?
Ja.
We gaan veel tekeningen maken.
Dat is goed, hè.
Oké.
Totdat het nacht is.